Okay, many of you do not remember this stock. Many of you have never heard about it, but I think this stock is capable of making a very large outsized move today on the 26th of January. We're talking about First Citizens Bank shares. Last year, 12 months ago, this stock was reluctant to drop as we were going through a regional bank crisis, as some banks had to be bailed out. And recently, in not so distant history, okay, we've had some regional banks such as this one, for example, COLB. Okay, look at this situation right here, strong volume. Okay, so there's a number of regional banks, even though it's not in the news. Okay, this is what's happening. And one of the famed bank 12 months ago was ticker WAL, and many of you don't remember, so let's go look at the weekly chart. A weekly chart does not even summarizes this because, well, actually you can't see it. Some of these drops, they happen pre-market, right, and then they buy it up. So the stock goes from 70 to like $6, okay, and so we were shorting it here, we were shorting it here. You couldn't catch this drop, this dip with options because again, this move was happening pre-market, and then by the time market opens, sometimes, right, they'll pump it. So we couldn't cash out at $6 on this, but we cashed out like in the teens on that. So since then, it's recovered. It's back to the level as if nothing has ever happened, and it did announce earnings today. So this one, probably not going to see anything wild like last year, right? But this is the one that could be an easy short. We're gonna aim at a good entry on this one. But FCNCA, okay, guys, this is the one. I mean, we're possibly looking for a this one held up pretty well in relation to all the other banks. I mean, WAL, $70 to $6, lost 90% of its value in 3 days. This one has held up rather well because it was perceived to be the better bank of the regional banks. So based off the chart, we're looking at a triple top formation. Earnings are horrible. Now, just because earnings are horrible does not mean this stock is going to drop because of that. But I think it's ripe for a drop. Mono doubled since the lows. We're seeing some banks are having issues. Clearly, this earnings report is not a bullish report by no means for the stock. So this one could surprise. And considering it does have a history of being able to move like 100 plus points in a single trading session, it hasn't done it in a while, but like recent one was to the upside from 1,000 to 1,200. That's a 200-point move right here. I wouldn't be shocking if we got a candle like this size, but going to the downside today. So as a word of caution and warning, this stock does not trade weekly options. So the options that you'd be able to buy today are 24 days till expiration, which a lot of traders that want to go safe, hey, that's a safe one. But you got to catch the entry. On all this stuff we're showing you guys here on the channel, it always is a matter of catching your entry and exit. That's how you lock in huge gains. So if you want to catch your entry and exits on some of these stocks I've just shown you guys, call us. Call us at 13mmtv.com. Click the big orange button. Trade these stocks. Trade the stocks with a coach today at 13 Market Moves, guys. I'll catch you in the next video soon. Hey, don't miss the next video. There's 2 charts that I'm looking at that are telling us that oil and gold are both about to drop. So very cool video. Don't miss it.